Hello there, 2 minute review time. That means I'm going to review things in 2 minutes. But this time I'm not reviewing one thing, I'm reviewing three things. Yes, three things. First thing I'm going to review is not necessarily in this order, Heinz Classic Barbecue Sauce. It's a delicious as a dip for your chips, a topping for your burger, or a marinade for your meat. Like a good marinade. Also reviewing crispy floret salad. Not like I say about that, it's lettuce. Get over it. We're also reviewing Bird's Eye Inspirations. 5 ounce, not 4 ounce, but 5 ounce burgers. In fact, there's 2 of them, and they're on offer at the moment at Tesco and probably at other shops as well. Who knows? I don't know. Do you know? I don't. Anyway, that's what we're reviewing. I've already cooked them. So there they are, as well. There it is as a burger with the lettuce and the sauce on, and also on its own as well, just so we can actually say what it tastes like without the sauce and the burger. And literally, it took me a minute to do that, so I better be quick. So I'm going to cut into it as if it was a burger, cooked all the way through, 25 minutes in the oven, guess mark 8. Whatever the equivalent that is in your electric ovens, I don't know. A lot of fat came out of it, and I mean a lot of fat. It's definitely me too. That is a very good burger. Right. I'm also reviewing the BAP as well, which is Tesco Finest BAP. So there's your burger. A bit like what you get at McDonald's, but different. Definitely taste the sauce. That's a good burger. So first off, lettuce. When it says crispy, I'll give it 4 out of 5 stars. The BAP, Tesco Finest. You know what? 4 out of 5. It's actually quite nice. Heinz Classic Barbecue Sauce does give it a kick. 5 out of 5. 5 stars out of 5. Bird's Eye Inspiration 5 ounce steak burgers. 5 out of 5. I know, I'm stunned as well. That's really good. Thanks for watching. Took 3 minutes. Sorry. Bye.